That is why I required the Chief PNP to be here. I would like him to explain his side properly. Dapat. Because as a commander, it's very basic. Dalawa yung ating function as a commander. Number one is the accomplishment of the mission. And number two is the welfare of our men. Dalawa yan. Magkatabi yan. Accomplishment of the mission, welfare of our men. Anong welfare ang ginawa niyo kay Grijaldo? Hindi ba talagang nilaglag ninyo siya? Dahil as I have said, you should be proud of him. Hero ninyo siya. Porke galit sa kanya yung Quadcom, galit na rin kayo sa kanya. That is why I required the Chief PNP to be here. I would like him to explain his side properly. Dapat. Because as a commander, it's very basic. Dalawa yung ating function as a commander. Number one is the accomplishment of the mission. And number two is the welfare of our men. Dalawa yan. Magkatabi yan. Accomplishment of the mission, welfare of our men. Anong welfare ang ginawa niyo kay Grijaldo? Hindi ba talagang nilaglag ninyo siya? Dahil as I have said, you should be proud of him. Hero ninyo siya. Porke galit sa kanya yung Quadcom, galit na rin kayo sa kanya. Tama ba yun na behavior ng isang institusyon na dapat tinitingnan ang kabutihan ng kanyang mga membro? I don't see any reason behind bakit ganun kayo mag-treat ng tao ninyo. Yes. Can we get your opinion?
Your Honor, with respect to the actions of the House of Representatives, unfortunately, that's beyond the jurisdiction, Your Honor, of the Internal Affairs. We don't have an active.
Meron kayong control doon sa Quadcom. Wala kayong control, but you have control to your own policies sa pag-apply niyo sa tao niyo, sa polisiyan niyo.
Yes, Your Honor. To that end, Your Honor, we have not, so far as Internal Affairs Service is concerned, we have not instituted or recommended as of yet, Your Honor, any disciplinary action on arising from the proceedings in the House of Representatives, Your Honor.
Please tingnan ninyo mabuti yan. It's time for you to show to the world that the Philippine National Police is indeed an institution that takes care of its own people. Huwag naman ninyong ganyanin yung tao ninyo. Ikinungulong na nga. Sobrang injustice na experience niya ngayon, putulan pa niyo ng sweldo. Paano ang pamilya niya? Paano yung pag-aaral ng pamilya niya? Paano yung pagkain nila pang araw-araw? Wala na siyang sweldo. Okay lang sa akin yun kung iskalawag yung tao, kung ninja cup yung tao, go ahead. You punish him. Pero for standing for the truth, for doing what is right, and for not giving in to the intimidations na ginagawa sa kanya ng Quadcom. Kayo rin, sasakay rin kayo sa Quadcom na pati sweldo niya, puputulin ninyo. You should be liberal enough to interpret your own policy to your people. Kayo ba sa armed forces, ganun din kayo? Kapag ang tao ninyo ay nakulong, na-contempt, puputulan rin yun na sweldo? Anybody from the armed forces can speak up?
General Mortelo, sir, from the
Yes.
AFP. In our case, sir, it's all based on the legal requirements of to discipline our people. So it's all within the bounds of policies within the organization. We have yung tinatawag namin, sir, na the right of the commander to institute punishment. So meron sa the AW 105, sir. So any commander, even down to the smallest unit, can impose punishments based on the to institute discipline within the organization. So hindi basta-basta.
Meaning, the commander still has the discretion.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Discretion, yan ang pinaka-magic word yan. Discretion mo yan, being the commander. Nakita mo yung sitwasyon ng tao mo. May discretion ka. Di ba?
Yes, sir.
Alam natin, paglaban natin mga tao natin. May mga tao tayo na hinaharas ng mga politiko doon sa baba. May mga tao tayo na kung ano-ano na pinagpapail na kaso. Ito, kaso talaga sa korte, ha? Harassment cases dahil nga ako mismo. May mga kaso ako noon na harassment cases from politicians because hindi ako nag-give in sa kanilang kagustuhan, sa kanilang pansariling kagustuhan. Hindi ako nag-give in. Kinasuhan ako. Pero, at least ang PNP namin noon ay hindi ako pinutulan ng sweldo. May kaso nga ako eh. Pero hindi ako pinutulan ng sweldo. Dahil nakita naman ng PNP leadership na itong tao na ito nagtatrabaho lang. Nasagasaan ng politiko. Ngayon, nagalit ang politiko, rumisbak, kinasuhan. So bakit ko puputulan ng sweldo itong tao na nagtatrabaho? Sa taong matino. You have the discretion of being the commander. And your discretion, using your discretion, you should consider always accomplishment of the mission and welfare of your men. Yung pagpuputol yun ng sweldo kay Grijaldo, what mission have you accomplished? Meron kayo mission na na-accomplish doon? Wala. Wala. Yun lang po. Nandito kayo mga pulis, makinig kayo. Ha? Nagsusuot kayo ng uniforme na yan. You're wearing that badge. You're wearing that badge. You stand for what is written on that badge. Ha? Ipaglaban ninyo yan. Huwag kayong magpaitoy-itoy sa mga politiko. You know what I mean? Ha? Huwag kayong magpatuta-tuta sa mga politiko, ha? Ha? Yung mga politiko na yan, hindi yan nagtitraining. Ha? Kayo, nagtraining kayo. Yung sweat, blood, and tears ay nagsipaglabasan sa inyong katawan dahil sa training na yan. At gaganunin lang kayo. Paglaban ninyo, tauhan ninyo. My God, if I were the Chief PNP at this time, I don't know. Pag ginaganon yung tao ko, I can never sleep soundly at night kapag mayroong injustice na ginagawa sa aking tauhan. More so, the injustice is coming from my own institution itself. Sabi ko kasi magpakamatay ako para sa aking tauhan kapag ginaganyan yung tao ko. Lalong-lalo na kapag ang tao ko ay nagsasabi lang ng katotohanan at pinanindigan kung ano ang tama.